Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving you all a Dark Cinematic LUT. Before starting the tutorial, let's take a look at some before and after videos. This LUT can be downloaded via the link in the description below. The file is password protected. The password will appear in the upper right corner as a card. Make sure to watch the video in the YouTube app to see the password. You can use this on any software that supports LUTs. Let me show you how it looks on VN Video Editor. Go to Filter, tap the plus icon. Navigate to the Download folder, and you'll see the extracted folder. Open it, select the LUT file, choose the folder, and the file will be imported. Adjust the intensity as per your need. Let's tweak some settings.
You wanna save a life? 'Cause I just really need someone. I've been barely holding on, and I'm still running from my demons. I'm still hiding all my secrets. Need someone I believe in. Will you wait for me while I'm still healing? You know what to say every time I start to slip away, and I surrender. So I surrender. And I surrender. There's no more falling down. I've hit the ground. You don't owe me anything, but I believe that you can show me all the things that I've been needing. I'm just hoping you give me a reason to go on. And I'm still running from my demons.
If you need any kind of LUTs, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Check out more videos and download additional presets from the links in the description.